Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video you will learn how to install and configure Git on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. First open terminal. Check whether Git is already installed or not. So type git version and press enter. You can see we don't have Git installed. Now you can install Git in two different ways. First method is using this command sudo apt install git. Second method is click on App Center and search for Git in the search bar. Here you can click on Git-Ubuntu. We will install Git by using the sudo apt install git command. So first update the system package list by running sudo apt update and press enter. Now type sudo apt install git and press enter. So you have successfully installed Git. You can verify Git installation by typing git version. You can see we have installed Git version 2.43. Now you will need to configure username and email for this local Git account. To configure Git username, type git config global user.name, then in single quotes put the username. Let's put it as web tutorials and hit enter. To configure Git user email, type git config global user.email. Let's put the user email as sample at web tutorials in single quotes and hit enter. You can see the Git configuration values by using command git config list. You can see we have configured username and email for this Git account. So in this video you have learned how to install and configure Git on Ubuntu operating system. Thank you for watching.